the Prep Engine in the CIW learning platform, which is ciw.ucertify.com, is built into the practice test section. So let's go there now. In a separate video, previous video, I covered the test sets and the practice tests and custom tests. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Prep Engine side of the practice tests, and this is the most optional part of the study process, in my opinion. This is where you can practice questions, seeing questions more than once, over and over, and you'll it's easier to demonstrate than it is to describe. So I just want to show here, I'll show you, you can go into the setup and you can reset your results, and I'll click yes on that. And so now I have 0 items mastered, 0 in play, and 395 questions pending. That's a lot of questions. That's my purpose in saying it's optional, because you can spend a lot of time trying to master 395 questions and seeing each of them 3 times. Imagine how long that's going to take. So this may not be the most efficient way to study, but it can be a nice way to focus your study. So I'm going to go back into the setup, and we'll pick, rather than looking at all of the questions that are possible, let's just pick one lesson. So I'm going to focus just on lesson 3, timeout after 10 minutes. We don't need to worry about that. I do like the randomization, so I'm going to leave that, and I'll click apply, and it says my customization has been applied. Okay. Notice the 395 didn't change. All right, so I'm going to go into the question, and I'm just going to hit a question, hit next. Oh, I got it right. Okay, so when you get a question right, you get a little green circle down here. If you miss one, it's a red circle with an X in it. And when you answer this same question right 3 times, then it stops showing it to you. But until then, it's going to go through a rotation of questions. And also notice that this treats you, it gives you learn mode. So you still have the information available. Let's just double check. Yes, this clicking on the link does take me to the lesson. It opened a separate tab in my browser, even though you can't see the tabs in my browser. So it's very similar to quizzing in learn mode. So I click next, and it's going to show me another question, and I'm going to answer that wrong on purpose, and it's incorrect. And so you see I've got a red X, and I can click next and keep going. Okay, so and it'll show me a couple more questions, and then it'll show me this one again. All right. Yeah, so it doesn't, it's not showing me the, the numbers down here aren't changing to match what I set, but it says during the last session you answered 2 questions in 1 minute, you got 1 right, your score is 50%. Okay, so, and this this circle will fill up as you work with the test set that you've selected. So that's a quick overview of the test prep, or the Prep Engine. If you like that semi-gamified mode, and you like the idea that it's kind of automatically showing you questions over that you miss and that repeat, it's a little bit like the flashcards in that regard. So then, by all means enjoy it, use it, but as a major part of your study, I would not recommend this as the most efficient use of your study time. So that's the Prep Engine in a nutshell. If you like this video, please click the like button and let me know. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments, and I'll get back to you with a reply. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in another video.